Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville in South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to look at the feature called Freeze Panes in Excel. So I've navigated to my View tab, and if I come here to the middle, you see this button that says Freeze Panes. If I click on it, it gives me three different options: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. We're going to start with the one that says Freeze First Column. So if I navigate to the right, you notice that column A does not move despite me scrolling from side to side. That's because I have frozen it in place. To undo that, I come back up to Freeze Panes and unfreeze them. Now I can freeze my top row. So I've frozen this row here. And if I scroll now, you notice the call number, title, and author stays put. And again, I can unfreeze that. And you can freeze a row that is not the top. So if I come here to just Freeze Panes, and then if you notice, all these rows here are frozen in place. And then the rest of them are moving. So I can undo that by once again unfreezing. So that's how you navigate the Freeze Panes feature. This can be really helpful if you have a lot of data and you need to look at what it's labeled as. So that can be a really good feature for it. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.